But I had one thing, man. I had a dream. God is in the make your dream come true business. He's given all of you some type of dream. All of you want something.
How y'all feel?
Good. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go.
I only ask one thing of all of you. It's just respect. This would be the best time you ever had. I'm going to teach you two things. The principles of manhood and how to make your dreams come true.
All of you want to be successful at something. I'm trying to instill in you who you are. Now what we're going to talk about is how to get what's in you out of you.
1, 2, 3. Circumstances, adversity, and opposition, it's only put in your path to make you stronger, to make you better, to make you sharper.
Who is your North Star? Who is the person or the people? Who do you aspire to be like?
Hey, I don't want you to focus on comparison, right? Looking outside of yourself for the answers. Your dream, whatever it is, make sure that it's true to who you are.
Everybody be wanting to change the world, but you can't change the world until you change yourself. If everybody just focused within, the world would be an amazing place.
You can walk into a room and command respect without opening your mouth. That's because of the power of image. Say, image is power. Image is power. Gentlemen, hear me.
Well, gentlemen, we're going to get some free time going on. Oh, we got basketball courts up there. We got football. We got soccer. We're going to see who fast out here. So, if y'all want to get back on that zip line, we can get back on that zip line.
And you can say they can't touch that, because once you get your mind right and you be disciplined, you own.
All right,
sir. All work on 3. 1, 2, 3.
All work.
Right now, we fishing at the lake, and we just trying to catch some fish right now.
He's valid. Look at let him run.
That's the third one. Second one. Yeah, best experience I've ever had in my life. 10 out of 10.
I don't have much to say about the camp except it's the funnest experience I've ever had in my life.
You can't heal what you can't feel. It's time to do something about those scars, to do something about those feelings that you just been bottling up and you don't know what to do with it.
Silence from a father often translates into noise in a son. I see several of you all crying because I know how deep that father issue goes. It hurts. But please, brothers, don't let this destroy you. You can make it through this. Can you all please do me a favor? Can you hug your brother and tell him it's gonna be all right? Just give him a hug, man.
Everything that you ever go through in this life is to make you into who you are. I had people around me that stood in the gap. And when I didn't have people to stand in the gap, I had a God that never left me off a circle. Don't disrespect yourself, and don't disrespect your God by not being everything that you're supposed to be. That's the real reason for this camp. You becoming who you are supposed to be.
What we did with your boys was we gave them a perspective. We have changed a lot of the way they think.
This camp has been really impactful in my life currently.
And this experience has been the best thing for me as I'm transitioning into manhood.
I really feel like it gave me like motivation just to start a new life and be a better version of myself, like just to be a better man.
One of the best experiences of my life. I say thank you, Steve Harvey. I appreciate you.
And I love you, Mr. Harvey. Thank you for everything you did.
You ain't the same dude they sent to the camp. So when you go in here, act like it, okay?
When they come in this room, the young man that we're going to give you back is going to be different than the one you gave us.
Come on now.